Hello, space enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to one of the most fascinating and mysterious neighbors in our universe, the Andromeda Galaxy. Get ready, because everything you're about to hear about Andromeda will blow your mind. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31, is the closest large galaxy to the Milky Way, sitting just 2.5 million light-years away. Yes, you heard that right. Only 2.5 million light-years. This colossal galaxy is the largest member of our local galaxy group, spanning a staggering 260,000 light-years across. With billions of stars in its arms, Andromeda is truly awe-inspiring when compared to the Milky Way. But the surprises don't stop there. According to NASA, Andromeda's mass is roughly comparable to that of the Milky Way, maybe even less. This creates an incredible balance between the two galaxies. Scientists believe Andromeda is between 5 and 10 billion years old. However, a groundbreaking study in 2018 revealed that Andromeda, as we see it today, might have formed only 2 to 3 billion years ago, from the merger of two smaller galaxies. So the Andromeda we see now is actually a cosmic love story. Now, for the most exciting part, you can see Andromeda with the naked eye at night. Yes, that's right. To catch a glimpse of Andromeda, all you need is a dark, moonless night. Look for the W shape of the Cassiopeia constellation, and the lowest point of this W will guide you to Andromeda. You don't want to miss this stunning view. NASA's Swift spacecraft captured a spectacular mosaic of Andromeda by combining 330 individual images. This mosaic is the highest resolution image of the galaxy in ultraviolet light, covering an area 200,000 light-years across and showcasing the galaxy in all its glory. Did you know that the Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course? That's right. In about 4.5 billion years, these two giant galaxies will merge to form a massive elliptical galaxy. No one knows exactly where our solar system will end up during this cosmic collision. We might be flung to the outer reaches of the galaxy or drift further away from the center. But don't worry, the chance of stars colliding is extremely low. This journey into the depths of Andromeda reminds us of how vast and magnificent the universe truly is. Look up at the sky and think about the incredible story of this majestic galaxy. Here we are, standing on this tiny blue planet, witnessing the grand mysteries of the universe. If you enjoyed this fascinating journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We have so much more to explore. Until our next video, may the stars be with you.